start with chapter number first of unit first, me and my surrounding, living and non-living things. In this chapter, we will study about living things and non-living things. I will explain you what is living things and non-living. Living things, these are the things which have life in them. For example, plants, animals, human beings. Non-living things, these are the things which do not have life in them. They are known as non-living things. For example, car, pencil, furniture. These are the example of non-living things. Now let's start with the chapter. In this chapter, we will identification karenge about living and non-living things, about natural and man-made things. Non-living things have been classified into two parts, that is natural non-living things or man-made non-living things. Let's start with the chapter. We see many things around us. These things can be divided into living things and non-living things. We see different types of things and we have classified these things into two parts, that is living things and non-living things. People, animals and plants. People, animals, plants, these all are the example of living things. But book, pencil, bag, clothes and spoon, they are the example of non-living things. Car, aeroplanes, ships, mountains, they are also non-living. These things are also non-living. Next, let's start with the first living things. All the things can be moved, breathe, eat, grow, see, produce their own species, are called living. Things which can move, eat, grow, reproduce their young one, they are known as living things. For example, human, mother gives birth to a baby, it's an example of living. Animals, dog gives birth to puppy, it's an example of living thing. Plant, it is also a living thing. It grows into seed, it grows into a tree. A big plant may grow jate, it's example of living. Living things produce their own species. I have told you, कि जो living things होते हैं वो अपने species produce करते हैं. For example, mother give birth to a baby. Dog give birth to a pup. Living things need air, water and food to get energy and food. Living things हम भी हैं, हमें energy मिलती है खाने से. ठीक है, food खाते हैं हम, drink करते हैं, हम उसकी ही हेल्प से क्या करते हैं, grow करते हैं. Living things grow. एक seed किसमें grow कर जाती है, new plant. Next is non-living things. Non-living things are the things which do not have life. They cannot breathe, they cannot grow, they cannot move, and they do not reproduce their young one. For example, books, car, pencil, these all are the example of non-living. Non-living things we have categorized into two parts, that is natural non-living things and man-made non-living things. Natural non-living things are the things which are provided by the nature. For example, stars, sun, clouds, rivers. Man-made non-living things are the things which are made by men. Like we have made car, books, pencils, houses, kettle, computer. These all are the example of man-made natural things. Non-living things cannot eat, breathe or see. They are unable to move or grow. They cannot produce babies. वो babies they produce नहीं करते हैं. Mountains, rivers, stars, cars. They are the example of non-living things. Non-living things are divided into two groups, natural and man-made. First is natural things. Things found in nature but are not made by men. Things जो हमें naturally मिलती है, they are not made by men. They are known as natural things. For example, after mountains, clouds, moon, stars, and water and stones. They are the example of natural man-made things. Man-made things are not found in nature. These are made by human. For example, car, chair, cupboard, and television. These all are man-made non-living things. Now I will give an example. देखो जब कार है, it does not move itself. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप एक तरीके की नॉन लिविंग है वो अपने आप मूव नहीं करेगी. इट्स नीड फ्यूल, उसको फ्यूल की भी नीड पड़ेगी और उसको मैन की भी नीड पड़ेगी ड्राइव करने. तो इसलिए नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स मूव करते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ लिविंग थिंग्स. Now chapter has been completed. We will quickly revise what we have studied in this chapter. We have studied about living things, non-living things, and non-living things को हमने दो parts में categorized करा था. That is natural things and man-made things. That's all for today. Hope you understood the chapter. Thank you.